Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, January 12th. This is David and let's dig into Tesla. We talked about this a few times in the move up from this November low at a Voodoo fire line up into the fire line a few weeks ago. Now, we talked previously about holding some of these other levels and then eventually holding these snow lines, kept this 263.73 fire line as a target, and we worked our way right up into there. And I've gotten a lot of questions since then. What's happened to Tesla? Well, these Voodoo lines, including the most important fire lines and the second most important tree lines, and all the other levels, are a product of Fibonacci combined with Elliott wave and some other math, and they give us some really good levels. And so while we talked about this being a target, we also said you needed to get above and hold above to keep the focus upward. So when we dropped so dramatically from that fire line level, you can see getting below the 255 snow line first, and then working our way through the other levels, just like support at a fire line targets the fire line above. Resistance at this fire line builds a potential roadmap for this lower fire line. Now, do we get all the way there? I don't know, but for the moment, this this name is doing exactly what it needs to, right? Establishing resistance below the 241 tree line, and now today at the 226 tree line. And so if it can parlay that into resistance below 218.30 and then 213, then that 204 level is in fact staying on track as a destination. Meanwhile, it would take north of this 227 area and support above to think that we could retest 241 and work our way back upward. So, so not only does this give us a new map looking downwards as we have been, but remember what the old map was and how we got to those targets. So that's what I'll be watching here in Tesla. I am not involved in the name anymore. We will see what happens in the coming days, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.